Hello guys and welcome once again sa isa ulit episode ating Warehouse Finds. So, meron tayong surprise na unboxing tonight. So, surprise kasi yan, wala na siyang art box. Unfortunately, na damage yung art box niya. So, ano na lang, so naka styro na lang siya. So, hulaan tignan lang natin. Surprise na lang kung ano yung itong i-unbox natin. So, join us once we unbox this surprise figure. Yan. So ano na lang, clue na lang. So this is a CCXP exclusive. I think this is 20, if not 2022, 2020. So double check na lang natin. So ayan. Ayan. So eto si Batman. Yun. So, ang ating C6P exclusive na in-unbox ngayon ay si Batman. So, this is numbered 112 out of 1,000 pieces. So, this is a C6P exclusive Batman on Bat Signal. Yan. So, I believe I think 2022 ito. Kasabay niya si Magneto. Magneto on Sentinel. So, kasabay siyang na-release nun. Yeah, I believe 2022 siya. Hopefully, tama ako. Ayan, so yan. So, ito yung bat signal. So, yung bat symbol. Yun. So, bago natin ikabit, alam ko kasi meron siyang, I believe meron siyang flashlight sa loob. So, hanapin ko lang. Wala. Meron yan dapat na flash. Kasi umiilaw yan So, hanapin ko lang mamaya. So, sige, kabitan muna natin. Ayan. Yun yung bat signal. Tama ba? Kabit ko, yan. Okay. So, this is Batman. Yun. Ang ganda. Blue. Gray blue. Yan, gray blue Batman. Hindi tamang kabit natin. Yun. Okay. And, of course, yung kamay niya. Walang kamay. Ano pesto niya? Yun. Okay. Accessory. Ayun. Ayun yung flashlight. Ayan. Sabi ko na meron. Nilo pa ba? Teka. Ako ng battery. Oh, wala nga. Ayan. So, sorry. Walang battery. Hindi natin mapakita yung bat signal. Try ko maghanap ng battery. So, yan. So, dito yung ilalagay. So, open natin. And then, yun. Sakto. Fit naman doon yung flashlight sa loob. And then, yun. So, pag nakahanap ako ng battery, yan, pailawin natin. Yun. Okay. So, let's have a closer look at this particular figure from Iron Studios. So there you have it, guys. That was our unboxing of our Iron Studio CCXP exclusive 2023 Batman on Bat Signal. So grabe no, ang ganda ng details niya. This is by the way um, galing sa art ni Neil Adams na Batman, which was I think 1970s to 1990s na run. Tapos previously meron na release na nito na 1/3 scale na Batman on Bat Signal din na statue many years back ni Iron Studios. So ang ginawa nila is they resize it to a downsized it to 1/10 scale and release it as a C6P exclusive back in 2023. So this is our last piece. Many of the items that we ordered were sold out back then. So ito na lang yung natira. So SRP nito previously was 13,800. So if you want to get a copy of this one, this is on sale at for only 12,000 pesos. So wala na tong art box. If that's okay with you, so pwede nyo kaming i-message. You can order this one through our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/fjtoycollectible. So message nyo lang kami kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng copy. So this is again, this is the last piece. Ang natira na lang unfortunately is the styro, so wala nang art box ito. So yun, so there you have it, guys. Once again, this is our episode for warehouse finds from FJ Toy Collectibles. See you again, and Happy New Year to everyone.